Hi everyone! In this video, we show you what to do if your account gets hacked. If you can't sign in to your Twitter, Facebook, Instagram or email, here you will find tips on how to restore access to a stolen account quickly, minimize damage and avoid related scams. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Finding out one of your accounts has been hacked is pretty stressful, but don't panic and try to focus on minimizing damage. In this tutorial, we will tell you what steps to take in order to rescue your money and data, protect your friends from scammers, and regain control of your account. If you can't sign in many cases, the first thing hackers do is change password of the stolen account, locking its owner out. However, you can still do plenty if you act quickly and prioritize your actions. Try resetting your password. If you do it quickly enough, the attackers may not yet have had time to disassociate your email from your account. Warn as many people as possible that your account was hacked. Get in touch with friends and loved ones. Post a message on social networks. If people know your account was hacked, they will be less likely to fall for the scammers' tricks. Call your bank or other financial service if the scammers hacked an account in a payment system or one with an associated credit card. Scan your device using antivirus software to make sure that it's free of any malware that could be used to steal account passwords. Make a list of the most important services associated with the hacked account. Recall all of the services that you log into using the account, as well as any that sent password reset emails to this account. Try logging into those services and unlinking them from the hacked account. Change the passwords for all the associated accounts, as well as for any services with which you use the same password as for the hacked account. It is also worth changing the security questions for other services if they are the same ones you used for the hacked account. Better yet, you should also set up two-factor authentication. Contact account service support and try to restore access to the affected account. You can find the instructions for Facebook, Google, Instagram and Twitter linked in the description of the video. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel if those are just what you needed. So, what to do if you received a notification about suspicious activity? Many online services warn users if their accounts are used to perform certain significant actions, which include changing password, linking a new phone or email address to the account, and logging in from a new device or location. If you didn't perform those actions and still received such a message, then you should be concerned. Try to log into your account, but do not use any links in the notification. Phishing messages seeking login credentials can look a lot like official account notifications. The best practice is to manually enter the address in your browser or open the app. Check your login history if the account allows it. And if you see any unfamiliar devices or places on the list, immediately log out all other users. Check all of your account details, including email addresses, phone numbers, and security questions. Change your password. Make sure that it is strong and substantially different from the old one. If you are afraid that you might forget a new password, use a password manager to safely store it. Change the password in all accounts where you use the compromised one, as well as in accounts associated with the compromised login. For example, accounts at all online stores where you logged in using a hacked social network login. What to do if you receive a ransom letter from hackers? Sometimes attackers get in touch claiming to have gotten into your account, infected your computer with terrible malware, recorded a compromising video using your webcam, copied your messages, or the like. The malefactors typically threaten to publish the collected data if you don't pay a ransom. In fact, it is unlikely that anyone hacked your device. Scammers have been known to send extortion letters to all the addresses in some spam database. If you want to play it safe, go ahead and change the password for the account that was allegedly hacked. It's useful to do that every so often anyway. Again, if you are afraid of forgetting your new password, install Kaspersky Password Manager, which will remember everything for you. How to avoid being hacked? Of course, it's best to keep scammers out of your accounts. Therefore, use the following tips to make sure your accounts are protected at all times. Use strong and unique passwords. Activate two-factor authentication. Install a reliable protective solution on all of your devices. It is important to choose a package that will not only detect malware, but also warn you if the credentials for any service that you use have been leaked. These measures are enough to stall most of the hacking attempts. So stay safe and enjoy your net surfing.